In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize your Squarespace blog effectively. If you've put your heart and soul into your blog, developing an audience and creating quality content, you're probably wondering how you can turn your passion into profit. Well, you're in the right place because I'm here to guide you through some tried and tested methods to monetize your Squarespace blog. Let's start by talking about partnering with brands through affiliate marketing. This is a great way to earn commissions by promoting products and services directly on your blog. You can weave affiliate links into your content in a way that feels natural and helpful to your readers. The idea is simple. When your readers click on these affiliate links and make a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's important to choose brands and products that align well with your blog's niche to maintain trust with your audience. Authenticity is key here, so be sure to promote products that you genuinely believe in. Next, let's explore Squarespace's built-in e-commerce features, which are incredibly versatile. Whether you're interested in selling physical items like handmade crafts or digital products such as ebooks, courses, or downloadable resources, Squarespace has got you covered. Digital products are a great option because once created, they can be sold repeatedly without the need for inventory management. Leveraging these e-commerce tools can not only diversify your income, but also provide value to your readers in new and exciting ways. Another fantastic way to generate income is by creating a members-only area on your site. This can host exclusive content, videos, or other valuable resources that your audience can't find anywhere else. Offering a subscription plan, whether it's monthly or annually, for access to this exclusive content can provide a steady stream of income. It's essential to make sure that the content you offer here is perceived as added value, so regular updates and engagement with your members are crucial. Finally, integrating Google AdSense into your blog is a straightforward way to earn ad revenue. By easily adding Google AdSense code blocks to your blog, you can start displaying ads that are relevant to your readers. This can be a passive form of income, but remember that maintaining a balance is vital. Excessive ads can deter readers, so think carefully about the placement and frequency of these ads to ensure they enhance rather than detract from your user experience. And there you have it. A few practical ways to start monetizing your Squarespace blog today. Remember, the key is to choose methods that align well with your content and audience. Monetizing your blog doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and creativity, you can turn your blogging efforts into a rewarding business. Thanks for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck on your blogging journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.